about a feature that is in Windows and has been in Windows since at least Windows 7. And I'll be honest with you, this has saved me countless times. I've used it on a number of people's computers. It's called System Restore. So basically, every time that Windows does an update, it should automatically be creating a restore point so that if there's a problem with that update, you can roll it back and you're good. You haven't lost, your computer didn't die or whatever. And it also works for like if you're doing a major installation, and you can literally go in and say, I want to create a restore point for today. So which if you're adding a new software and you're not sure how it's going to work on your computer, it's not a bad idea to do a restore point before you do that. So one of the problems I've ran into though is I have found that I get somebody's computer and their computer's crashed or whatever, and one of the methods I use to fix that is to do a system restore. And I'll get into it and I'll go to system restore and it'll say there are no restore points on this computer. At that point you just go, oh man. So what I want you to do is in this video I'm going to show you how to make sure that system restore is turned on, and also how to do a restore point so that you can create one at any time if you need it. So pay attention to this. Hopefully this will save you from a catastrophic loss in the future. If you do have a problem with it and you need some help, give me a call. I'd be glad to help you out.
So to verify if System Restore is turned on or to create a restore point at any time, it's the same process. You click on the little search thing, and this will work in Windows 10 or 11, and just type in System, and one of the things under System should be create a restore point. And if you open that up, of course it always opens on the wrong screen, so I have to move it over here. Right here you've got System Restore, so if you needed to go in and restore your system to an earlier date, it's right here. Protected or protection settings, this shows that my C drive is on, my D drive, which is a backup drive, is off. And the reason for that is I only need the Windows portion to be set up in System Restore. The backup portion is just backing up the files that are on the C drive, so that doesn't matter. And to create a restore point, you just come down here and hit create, and it'll ask you a few questions, and that's all there is to it. It's a real easy process.